So today you're coming with us. Today. Yes, look at this. Very nice. So welcome to day 12, sourcing yarns for our crochet project. So this is where we buy our yarns. Actually, we always go to today's fashion sa Batar Kadi, but we want to check this place out. So come join us. Sa kaya ng gustuhan. Mas kamay ra siya og selection. Ngani, this ngani to ngani piece yung gusto. I'm so excited to show you what we bought today at today's fashion. So of course, our best friend, fabric adhesive. So this is our favorite. We tried different types of adhesive, but this is the best. Just show you. We tried this one. Dugay ka siya motapot. This is the best. But I also use Lugan. So this is for the keychain order. This and where's the partner? This for Ate Love Rian for her order. And then we have shades of browns for the sunglasses holder in order ng ating yogi sister Sagrigo. So excited to start working on it. And white and black. And black. So that's it, Pansit. These are our haul for today because limited edition ng aming budget. Yeah. So please keep ordering, keep your orders coming so we can buy more yarns because yarns, they are our happiness. They are our life lately. Thank you. Bye.